Hello, 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 and thanks for tuning in to Sara's Opening Bell. I'm your host, Sara Bryant, and you have tuned in on such a special day because I have some great news to share. So today's segment of Sara's Opening Bell is dedicated to the launch of SIFMA Foundation's new 30-minute educational investing experience, SMG InvestQuest, or SMG IQ. So if you've ever wanted to test your knowledge of investing and learn a bit about how investing works prior to a full launch into the game session, now's your chance. So SMG IQ features 3 levels to choose from: beginner, intermediate, and advanced, and takes users on a journey through the markets across a 5-year time span. So depending on the level that you choose, you'll have the ability to invest in stocks, mutual funds, ETFs, and bonds. So with the focus on diversification and long-term investing, SMG IQ will challenge you to explore buying and selling assets in the market, all while receiving updates on how your portfolio performs each quarter. So you don't have to register to play. So grab your friends, your family, your colleagues, everybody, and send them over to stockmarketgame.org to jump in and compete against other players all around the world. So feel free to try out different levels and investing strategies to jumpstart your SMG experience, end off your game session, use it as an enrichment activity, or just have fun. And of course, SMG IQ is available for your fun and learning absolutely free. I hope to see your portfolio ranked on our leaderboard. So here's a quick look at SMG IQ in action.